Have you ever asked your smart device a question and been amazed by how accurate the response was? That's the magic of answer engine optimization, or AEO, at work. In this video, we'll dive deep into how AEO is shaping the future of search and how you can master it. Answer engine optimization, or AEO, is the process of optimizing content to provide direct, concise, and accurate answers to user queries, especially through voice search and smart assistants. Unlike traditional SEO, which focuses on ranking for clicks, AEO aims to rank for answers. With the rise of AI-driven technologies like Siri, Alexa, and ChatGPT, AEO has become critical for brands aiming to stay relevant in a search-dominated world. Think of AEO as the evolution of SEO, tailored for immediacy and precision. Why does AEO matter so much? Let's break it down. More than 70% of smart device owners use voice assistants to conduct searches. Nearly 30% of Google searches now display a featured snippet, an AEO goldmine. Mobile devices account for over 60% of all searches. Voice and direct answers dominate on-the-go queries. In this world, AEO helps you not just appear, but become the answer. To master AEO, you need to understand how search engines process and deliver answers. Step 1. The user inputs a query, voice or text. Step 2. AI processes and analyzes keywords to identify intent. Step 3. Search engines prioritize structured data and concise, accurate responses. Step 4. The best optimized answer appears as a featured snippet or a direct response from a voice assistant. Here's how you can create AEO-friendly content that ranks high. 1. Understand search intent. Is the user looking for a how-to guide, a definition, or a quick fact? Tailor your content accordingly. 2. Leverage structured data. Structured data, also known as schema markup, helps search engines understand your content better. 3. Focus on featured snippets. Create concise answers for queries in your content, ideally in 40 to 50 words. 4. Optimize for voice search. Use conversational keywords. Target question-based queries like what is or how to. 5. Build EAT, expertise, authority, trustworthiness. Ensure your content reflects authority by including credible sources and demonstrating expertise. 6. Mobile and page speed optimization. Fast-loading, mobile-friendly sites are non-negotiable for AEO success. Let's level up with some advanced AEO strategies. Advanced tips. First, answer graphs. Develop content clusters that comprehensively address related queries. Second, voice personas. Tailor your content tone and style for voice assistants to make answers feel natural. Third one, leverage AI tools. Tools like ChatGPT or Google's natural language processing, NLP, can help refine content. Fourth one, monitor SERP features. Track how your content performs in featured snippets using tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs. Next, let's level up with some case studies of successful AEO implementation. Case study. 1. Local business optimization. A bakery optimized for best bakery near me and saw a 40% increase in foot traffic. Case study 2. E-commerce growth. An online retailer optimized product FAQs and achieved a 25% boost in conversions from voice search. Case study 3. B2B success. A SaaS company used schema markup to dominate featured snippets, increasing qualified leads by 35%. Last but not least, here are some must-have tools to master AEO. First and foremost, Google Search Console helps to track and improve your search performance. Next, Answer the Public helps in find popular queries related to your niche. Another important tool, SEMrush and Ahrefs, helps to analyze SERP performance and identify featured snippet opportunities. Finally, Yoast SEO or Rank Math helps in optimize content for structured data and voice search. The future of AEO is closely tied to AI advancements. Imagine search engines that predict queries before you even ask or provide hyper-personalized answers based on your preferences and past behavior. AEO is not just a buzzword, it's a necessity for staying competitive in the digital world. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, share it with your network. Want to learn more or need help optimizing your content? Subscribe Spotupp for more insights and strategies, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thank you.